Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create an ink transition in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, open Premiere Pro. You'll need 2 video clips and 1 ink transition clip. Import them into your project. Now, drag your first video onto the timeline. Then place your second video on the timeline slightly forward to create space for the transition. Place the ink transition clip above your second video on the timeline. This will help create the seamless transition effect. Go to the Effects panel and search for Track Matte key. Drag the effect onto your second video clip. Now, open the Effect Controls panel. Locate the Track Matte key effect and adjust the settings as follows. Set the matte to video 3, or the track where your ink transition clip is placed. Change composite using to Matte Luma. Checkmark reverse to ensure the transition works correctly. And that's it! You now have a smooth ink transition in Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video.